Here's a quick example on how to set up your web page for live preview using brackets. First, you can see I've created a folder for my website where I would put all of the different files for that site. Currently, there's nothing in it. So inside of brackets, I would do a new file. And then you can see it's created a new one called Untitled2. The name for the homepage of a website is index. So I'm actually going to go back to File, do Save As, and name this index.html. Index is the homepage, HTML tells it it's a web page, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure to put that inside of my website folder, and you can see that shows up here. So that's what we'll actually be working on. So I'm going to close this. Before I show live preview, a couple things that will help speed up your workflow that I would recommend, but you don't have to do. In this little Lego block looking thing, there's different extensions or plugins that'll help speed things up. So one that I like to use is if you type in skeleton and look for HTML skeleton and install that, which I've already got. Looks like this little piece of code. And then the other one I put in is Beautify. And it's this one, right? That's already installed as well. This will just, the HTML skeleton, instead of typing it in by hand, it'll just quickly put it in for you, which is really helpful. And then this one, like if my tags get all like out of alignment and different things, it's hard to read your code. If you click on that, it will automatically pop them back into place nicely. Or if I go to edit and just hit Beautify on save, that every time I save it, it makes the code easy to read. So I'd recommend those two. But once I'm there, let me go ahead and hit the lightning bolt and launch it. And that should open up a live preview page, which you can see. Currently there's nothing on it because there's really no content on the web page. But if I go in here to bot, inside the body tags, and I put in the H1 tag, and when I hit save, when I hit Command S, you can see that shows up on the page. Let's just put in one more paragraph for good measure. Save that. You can see every time I hit save, it's going to show up here. So that's really all you have to do to get live preview to work. If for some reason it does not work, you can watch the second video, which will basically show you how to do it manually. Just create an HTML file and save it, and then just go ahead and double click on it and open it up in Chrome, and you can just kind of do the same thing. Save here, refresh here, and it'll work basically the same. Instead of just saving here and having it show up, you'll just have to save and then hit refresh, but it's kind of the same. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. There's other videos on the link I'm going to send you if you need any other help, and just let me know if you have questions at all.